Right, me and my son dug our potatoes today. I'd say we got a good 150 pounds of spuds here. Definitely worth it to plant your own spuds. You definitely got to have the garden, oh my. It's funny, I planted a lot less reds and I got a lot more reds. I mean, in this pile here is a lot more of the russets, but per plant, I was getting more reds per plant, and you can see they're pretty good sized reds, so those are nice sized reds. Anyway, that is our big old harvest today. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching.